National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Greene County, Northeastern Montgomery County, Southeastern Miami County until 10 p.m. At 9:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dayton, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dayton, Kettering, Beavercreek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Trotwood, Vandalia, Tipp City, Moraine, Oakwood, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Brown, Riverside, Shiloh, Centerville, Phoneton, Brandt, Overlook-Page, Mano, Drexel, and Park Layne. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 33 and 41. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 50 and 63.